The AlgoBox J-hook is a powerful three-target strategy designed to spot potentially massive moves in the market. AlgoBox automatically plots the J-hook directly on your chart, showing you the optimal entry zone, a defined stop level, and 3 target levels. Examples: a J-hook long, bullish setup, where price pushes beyond target 3. The 2 green lines highlight the entry zone, a J-hook short, bearish setup that signals downside momentum. When you add confluence from other AlgoBox signals, the strategy becomes even more powerful. For example, a harmonic PRZ, fib dot, or enigma aligning with the J-hook zone. Multiple Flowmaster enigmas appearing with the J-hook for confirmation, or a Flowmaster alpha omega sequence stacking alongside it, creating huge momentum. That wraps up the J-hook, a pro-level strategy built for catching bigger plays. Appreciate you tuning in, and see you in the next one.